Hello everyone, today we will learn trim body command situated in a home tab. So before that, create one sketch, create any random sketch. I am creating one circle. Go to the trim body command. Trim body command is used to remove extra or any unwanted material from the existing body. So for that, you have to select the body and you have to select any face or plane from which that extra part you have to delete. So before that, I am adding one plane from this surface at a distance of 10 mm. I'm reversing the direction of it, so it's in between that body. I'm also going to take other plane from this surface inside of it. So I just created two planes to trim this body. So go to the trim body command, that select the body. From this body we have to remove this excess material. So in the tool option, select face or plane. So select this plane. So right now you can see it has removed the material on this side of that plane. You can change the slide side in the reverse direction command. So as you changing, you can see the difference in the preview. So I want this much of material to remove, so I am applying this command. See, whenever you have to reuse the command, use apply button, or you have to use the single time command, use OK button. I have to use the trim body command again, so I am using apply button. So dialog box doesn't disappear. Then again select this body. I'm selecting this face and I'm also controlling the direction for which part I have to remove, and I am hitting OK. I hope you understood. Thank you.